So this here is the face pull, an exercise that's great for shoulder health and was popularized by Jeff Cavaliere of athletex.com. But beside that, I've been doing this exercise for 10 years and I always felt great in my shoulders. Now, it was only until a couple of months ago that accidentally I stopped doing this exercise and now my shoulder is injured and I was wondering why, and the reason is this awesome exercise that I was not doing anymore. The face pull actually trains the back of your shoulder muscles. So all of these muscles here around the scapula gets trained with the face pulls. Those muscles here are the antagonists of our pushing muscles, our front delts and our pectoral muscles. And because we do a lot of pushing and a lot of the day-to-day tasks that we are doing are in front of us, these muscles get big and tight and these muscles get underused and underdeveloped and weak. So by implementing the face pull in every training session, we counteract the negative effects of having too strong of a pecs and too strong of a delts, and to balance our shoulders out so that the ball sits freely in the middle of the socket so your shoulder feels as healthy as possible. Now, as I said, all of a sudden I stopped doing this exercise and everything just got stuck. And because I'm doing jiu-jitsu and my shoulder wasn't feeling great, during sparring I injured my back, I injured my shoulder, and now I just have to deal with that. And just like retracing my steps, I found out that I was no longer doing this exercise. The longer the ropes, the better, because then you can really open up the front and really target the muscles of the back. By just doing like this, you're missing out on a lot of stuff. So that's why I bought this longer rope. This one, the standard one, is way too small. So once you go to the longer black one, man, you're never going back. What I struggled with in the past is that my upper traps started to get too involved and I was shrugging way too much and making my neck and shoulder muscles a little bit too tight. A way to counteract that I have found is by just relaxing your shoulders before you get into it and really try to depress your scapula, just like pulling down your arms. And once they are relaxed, you try to move your elbows in a straight line. So not up, not too down, but just in a straight line, and you open up your forearms, boom. And you see where the longer rope comes in. If you're just having a smaller rope, you end up doing like this. But with a longer rope, you can really pull this open and really start working those rear delts and those scapular muscles. And as you can see, you can do this on a cable machine. And I made this cable machine myself. If you want to see more about this, little plug, just check the video in the description. But you can also do this with a rubber band. Don't take a broken one. I have a video about this. It will just slam into your face. Just get any rubber band. And let me just turn you here real quick. You'll loop it around a pull-up bar or a power rack and you can just start to do the same thing. And then you can go and open up, focus on opening up, boom. Now, something I played with is like imagining pulling your hands towards your forehead or imagining pulling your hands towards your neck. And you can play with this. You can do like 10 repetitions to your forehead, 10 repetitions to your neck, so you can target different muscles or different angles of those muscles in the back. And if you want to know sets and reps, basically this exercise worked for me 3 sets, 20 repetitions, around 10 to 15 kilograms. If that's too heavy for you, just drop in weight. And yeah, do that every training session, just getting in the reps to counteract the tightness in the front of your body and make those shoulders healthy again. The face pull alone will not be able to counteract a lot of pressing, a lot of frontal movement. You also have to train the back, the bigger muscles. But by getting that face pull and getting those smaller muscles involved at the end of your workout, every workout, you're going to have a lot better and stronger shoulders. And I wish I didn't forget that, and that's why I'm making this video for you guys. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it. And I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace out!